Why are some diesel engine blocks made of cast iron while others use aluminum alloy? Cast iron blocks are heavier, but they offer excellent strength, heat resistance, and wear resistance, making them ideal for handling the high combustion pressures of diesel engines. That's why most heavy-duty diesel engines, such as those from JMC and Isuzu, use cast iron blocks. Aluminum alloy blocks are much lighter, but because the material is softer, they require cast iron cylinder liners, which increases cost. They're mainly used in some pickups and passenger cars to reduce weight and improve NVH. Neither material is inherently better, they simply reflect different engineering priorities.